Yvonne Carney, MD. This video is to talk about lymphatic massage. I'm going to be talking about lymphatic massage of the neck and jaw region. The lymphatic system is super important for detoxification. You see, your lymph system parallels your blood vessels and it carries fat-soluble toxins, but it can stagnate. And if it's not flowing well, then you can't detoxify. So we want things moving. And this is a great way to get things moving from here to here. So a little bit more on the anatomy. Your lymph drains into your bloodstream right here. It dumps into the vein going to your heart, the vena cava, about right here. And so when we start with the lymphatic massage, we just start, it's right where if you find the notch in your collarbone and you move just to the side of it, and you do about 20 to 30 seconds of just gentle pressure, kind of rapid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is priming the pump to make sure that the valves that are draining the lymph into the blood vessels are open so that things can flow. You don't want it to get locked up. So that's step one. Now, when you're doing the massage, I want you to be gentle. You don't need to be at war with your body. We're just trying to get things moving. So the first area that we're going to concentrate on is this is called the submandibular area. And it is the area that drains the area from your throat and your teeth. The way that we do the massage is you take your thumbs and you gently compress the tissue towards your bone so that you're moving things as you push against your jawbone. You're moving towards the direction of where it's going to dump into your blood vessels. So you can do both sides at the same time, and you just gently move from the center of your chin along your jawbone back. And you can do that 5 to 10 times. If it's tender, that's probably because there's some toxins built up in there and you need to drain them. Next, we're going to move to the area right in front of the ears. There's a lot of lymph tissue right in here, and it drains into the neck and then into the blood vessels here. So again, just gently push back. You can use your fingertips and fan this way. So you're going to fan from your cheekbones back towards your ears. And that's a great way to get the lymph flow moving there. Now the next area is going to be down your neck. So if you turn your head a little bit and you feel that muscle, this is the sternocleidomastoid muscle, and you can grab it. And so it's the muscle that goes from basically behind your ear to your collarbone. Surrounding that muscle in front and behind is a lot of lymph tissue. Now, when you do this part, you want to just be gentle and sweep in front and behind the muscle, or you can try using 3 fingers and just go down the whole length of the muscle. So the middle finger would be on the muscle, and then the 2 fingers to surround would be in front and behind. You don't want to do this part while driving. You want to be seated because you could be putting pressure on the carotid artery and you don't want to decrease blood flow to the brain. Don't do this one on both sides. Do one side and then the other. So 5 to 10 sweeps down this way. Turn your head. 5 to 10 sweeps down this way. Boy, this feels good. Don't be surprised when you're doing it if you need to swallow. You're going to notice that things are draining and you might be needing to swallow. That's the fluid mobilization. And then when we're done with that, we're going to go back and finish up again with the little pumps. Find the notch, go just deep into the side, and do again about 20 little pumps with that to make sure everything is flowing. Now you can do this every day. I think that's a great idea. If when you do it, after you do it, you feel sick, then you know what that means. You mobilize too many toxins and you're super toxic. So then don't do it as often. Be more gentle. Make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids when you do it. When someone gets sick, when they're detoxing, I call that stirring up a hornet's nest. So it means that you need to do it. It's just that you did it too fast. The toxins got mobilized too fast and they caused symptoms that made you feel sick. So be very careful with this. It is powerful. It is effective. If possible, a great time of day to do it would be in the afternoon when you're hitting your afternoon slump. It can really improve the blood flow and the way the brain is working because we're draining all those toxins and we're opening fluid pathways and allowing things to work better. And that is lymphatic massage for the head and neck.